My name is Betelhem Makonnen.
My name is Adrian Aguilera, and our piece is Untitled, These United States.
We were commissioned by the City of Austin Art in Public Places Tempo program. We've never done a public project, and there's lots of challenges in doing a new thing, but that sense of satisfaction of having brought something from the invisible to the visible, which is, for both of us, just the process of art making.
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. For us, just conceptually, it was important that when you're engaging with the piece, the stripes are creating this kind of inner, outer distortion, and then you have the stars that are multiplying you as a whole.
Yeah, and by bringing that multiplicity happening by all those straps of the mirror creates that inclusive idea of being part of something instead of being separated.
Yeah.